Education goes beyond traditional academic achievements and refers to creating a well-rounded, holistic learning experience, including critical thinking and creativity. Many challenges, such as lack of access to quality education to everybody, disparity between curricula and what the real world requires, as well as societal, system, and parental pressure, has resulted in increased stress and confusion, as well as lower learning outcomes in students. How do we bridge the gap? And what impact can meditation have in the education sector? More and more studies are showing that meditation and mindfulness help to increase neuroplasticity, reduce fear, increase concentration, clarity, and improve emotional regulation, which leads to better learning outcomes. A 2015 school-based study in North Carolina, United States, for ethnically diverse at-risk adolescents showed mindfulness meditation intervention reduced depression and helped them want to continue class. Another research study done with college students showed that when a structured meditation program was introduced, the learning outcomes increased 5 times as compared to students who did not participate in meditation programs. According to a study done by Buddha CEO Quantum Foundation, where hundreds of students participate in a 3-week online program with a daily 30-minute meditation practice, over 80% have consistently said that they have increased their learning power. Atisha, the spirited girl, is on a quest for academic brilliance. Hailing from the quaint village of Chintalagraharam in Vishakhapatnam, India, she's living her grand dream after securing a coveted seat at New York Film School. Her journey epitomizes the triumph of hard work and unwavering determination that she owes to her daily meditation practice.
Manifestation and meditation techniques have helped me so much by giving me my college seats, in my first one in Manchester and then my next one in New York, where I'm going to be pursuing acting for film. I think the mind map has really helped me feel all the feelings, happy emotions and everything for when I actually get the seat.
Bhuvana, hailing from Pollachi, Tamil Nadu, India, overcame years of fears of darkness, exam anxieties through meditation within 6 months. With the increased power of thought and meditation, she landed her dream college admission.
Meditation has helped me overcome all my fears in life, coming to a different country and pursuing my master's alone. And it has also helped me in manifesting every bit of my life, being my master's in my dream university, my dream internship, my dream part-time, and now I'm manifesting my dream job, which is almost here and I'm just gonna grab it real soon. And meditation has taught me how to take control of my life. So let your brain, you take control of your life and not your life take control of yourself.
In the serene town of Kanikeri, Andhra Pradesh, India, Ravindra champions a culture of academic excellence. As a president and mentor of Bodhi Dharma Public School, he advocates for the daily practice of meditation among students. Everyone in the school is benefited. The students, the teachers, and the parents, he says.
We could able to see transformation in the students' life, like the benefits they have got. They increased their memory power and concentration, and also they could able to see the creative thinking in all the aspects. And in terms of parents, they're happy to have the meditation practice in the child's life from the beginning itself, and as well as they are supporting and suggesting and giving the right feedback to improve our education system. And when it comes to the employees, they are being energetic throughout the day.
Kamaljeet Kaur transformed a government school in Najafgarh, New Delhi, earning recognition from the Kejriwal government for rapid improvement. She introduced meditation to weak students during extra classes that improved their performance.
हमारे बच्चों में एनर्जी बढ़ गई, बच्चे डिसिप्लिन्ड हो गए, फोकस्ड हो गए, एनर्जेटिक हो गए, इंटेलिजेंट हो गए, उनकी मेमोरी बढ़ गई। हमारी 10th का रिजल्ट हमारे आसपास के एरिया में सबसे अच्छा आया, जिसके लिए हमें एप्रिसिएशन लेटर मिला, और हमारी 12th में बहुत बच्चों के 90% अबव मार्क्स आए, उसके लिए भी हमें एक एप्रिसिएशन सर्टिफिकेट मिला।
Acharya Aravindan pioneers the WOW program at Acharya Group of Institutions in Pondicherry, India, showcasing children's extraordinary abilities nurtured through meditation. His visionary leadership inspires students to realize their full potential.
As an educationist, I strongly believe the pyramid meditation. At a very young age, children should be given the opportunity to sit in meditation and empower themselves to have a enriched mind, which is a mind that is silent and beautiful because of meditation.
Sujata Sriram's journey from rural Anakapalli district to bringing meditation to hundreds of government schools in Vizag exemplifies dedication and service nature that got developed through meditation. Despite facing hurdles, her efforts have led to transformative changes in students' behavior and performance. Students have gained confidence and teachers have become positive.
స్కూల్స్ కాలేజెస్ ఈవెన్ ప్లే స్కూల్ ప్రైమరీ స్కూల్కి అంగన్వాడీలకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు నేను నేర్చుకున్నది ఏంటి అంటే ధ్యానంకి ముందు ధ్యానం తర్వాత చేంజ్ని టీచర్స్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అలాగే పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేశారు.
డైలీ మార్నింగ్ నుంచి ఈవినింగ్ దాకా వర్కింగ్ ప్రెజర్ గట్రా ఉండేది ఇంతకు ముందు. ఆ వర్కింగ్ ప్రెజర్ గట్రా చాలా తక్కువ ఉంది ఇప్పుడు ప్రెజెంట్. ఈ మెడిటేషన్ చేయడం వల్ల పీస్ఫుల్గా ఉంది.
To strengthen the education sector, meditation acts as a powerful tool for excellence. You can introduce meditation into your organization and community with the help of Project Excellence Center and its resources including assistance in training. Reach out to us at excellence@buddhaceo.org.